Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to see some number puzzles question. Okay, let us move on. First question is which number will replace the question mark? I repeat, which number will replace the question mark? The first one what they have given is this 6, 8, 6, 4, 8, 20. The next number what they have given is 7, 9, 8 and 26. The third number which is visible to us is 6, 5, 12 question mark. So once you see here, this is divided into four sectors, correct? This is divided into four sectors, 1 2 3 4. So out of four sectors, this is the maximum value. The maximum value is here, 20 is here. So our assumption is the remaining three values should be added to get the maximum value. So let us quickly add what is 6 plus 4 plus 8. What is 6 plus 4 plus 8? 18. But here 20 is given. How 18 will become 20? Maybe possibility that they would have added two more. Okay, possibility is there, they would have added two more. Let us move on to second one. Okay, well, let us move on to second one. 7 plus 9 plus 8. What is except this value? Okay, this is the maximum value. 26 is the maximum value which is coming in the left side bottommost value. What is left? What is 7 plus 9 plus 8? 16 plus 8, 24. Again 2 less. Okay, we are not getting 26. So 7 plus 9 plus 8 is 24. So again 2 is added. So we have got the logic. Any number which is written in all the three blanks, okay, so it again plus 2 should be added here. Okay, the same way you have to do this same case. Okay, so let us move on to the next one. Now 6 plus 5 plus 12. What is 6 plus 5 plus 12? So 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 12. So 11 plus 12, 23, but 23 is not the answer. 2 should be added more. Okay, 6 plus 5 plus 12, 23, 23 plus 2, 25 should come in the question mark. So this is a simple puzzle. Okay, let us move on to second one. Okay, 1 second. Second puzzle, which number will replace in the question mark? So they have given a question like this. Three circles are there. In the one circle they have given 3 2 13. The other circle they have given 4 8 80. Third one 1 5 question mark. How to do this question? How to do this question? Very simple. The simplest way what you can do is just take the square of this number. 3 square plus 2 square. What is 3 square plus 2 square? 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 9 plus 4 13. So next one 4 square plus 8 square. Next 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64, sum is 80. So we have got the idea. So 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 will be 1 square plus 5 square. What is 1 square plus 5 square? 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25. So 1 plus 25 is 26. The question mark can be replaced with 26. A few questions will do as exercise. The next one, they are given a question like this. Which will replace one will replace the question mark. Okay, the first question, 5 6 8 7 4 9. 5 6 8 7 4 9. Since this number is bigger, what we can do is we can just multiply all the three numbers. Okay, what is, once again, what is 5 into 6 into 8? What is 5 into 6 into 8? So 5 into 6 into 8 will be, once again, what is 5 into 6 into 8? It is 240. What is 7 into 4 into 9? It is 252. So add both, you will be getting 492. So you will be getting 492. So now you have got some logic about it. Okay, now since it fits for the first one, let us check whether it fits for the second one or not. Okay. Oh, okay, before we checking the second one, let us move on to third one, because the usually we no need to waste our time in second case. Let us move on to third one. 4 into 3 into 5. What is 4 into 3 into 5? 12 into 5, 60. What is 7 into 2 into 5? 7 into 10 is 70. Okay, now 60 plus 70, 130 would be the answer. 130 would be the answer. I will write again the numbers. What you have write here is, okay, this three numbers you have to multiply here. This three numbers, 7 into 4 into 3 into 5. So 4 into 3 into 5, 60. 4 into 3 into 5 60. Next 7 into 2 into 5, 7 into 2 into 5 70. 70 plus 60, 130 will come in the place of question mark. So question mark value will be, the value should be replaced with 130. Okay, very simple one. I hope you can do this question. Let us move on to the next question. Okay, the next question is like this. Now the same thing, which number will replace the question mark? Okay, this is the typical question, but I hope this question can be done easily. They are asking 21, 31, 52. Again, as I already said, take the bigger value, keep it aside. Take the bigger value, keep it aside. Now check it out whether you can make, using the smaller value, this bigger value. For example, let me have this 21 plus 31. Let me check what is 21 plus 31. 21 plus 31 is 52. Okay, now let me go for the next number. 39 plus 46. 39 plus 46 is 85. Okay, 21 plus 31 is 52. 39 plus 46 is 85. So what would be the next number? 16 plus 83. 16 plus 83. What is 16 plus 83? 99. So the question mark should be replaced with 99. So you can replace this question mark with the value 99. Let us move on to the last question, the last two questions. Here, once you observe here, A2, again the question is same, which one will replace the question mark? Here they are given A2, C4, E6, G3, I5, question mark, M5, O9, Q14. First let us see here. A is 1. What is missing here? B is missing. A, B, C. C is there. Now D is missing. D, E is there. E, after E, F is missing. After F, G has come. After G, H is missing. After H, I is there. After I, J should be missing. So this should come with K. Okay, I, J, K. So now no doubt the value is K, but still what is the value there? How A2 has come? How A2 has come? A's original value A's original value is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. C's original value is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. E's original value is 5, 5 plus 1, 6. But why here G3? G's original value is 7. G's original value is 7, 7 minus 4. I's original value is 9, 9 minus 4, 5. So K's original value is 11, 11 minus 4, 7. Or you can go for even numbers, odd numbers. What is the easiest way is, other way what you can do is, you can go for even numbers. For example, here once you observe here, these numbers are even numbers. This 2, 4, 6 are even numbers. 3, 5, 7 should be odd number. So next, so answer should be K7. Next one is 5, 9. This value we no need to worry, because since we have got the answer, we'll move on to the next question. Next question. Okay, I'll give a practice question for you. I hope you can solve this question. 5, 4, 7, 8, 6, 9, 5, 10, 3, 7, 2, question mark. 5, 4, 7, 8, 6, 9, 5, 10, 3, 7, 2, question mark. How to do this question? Very simple. Take the bigger value 7, just subtract the remaining two numbers 5 minus 4. So just add to that. That is, so here what is the logic we are going to do is, so what is the logic we are going to do is, this bigger number, we have taken the bigger number here, 7 has been taken, so this 5 minus 4 has been subtracted. So 7 plus 5 minus 4, so value is 8. Now again take the bigger number 6, so bigger number 9, subtract this 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1, so 9 plus 1, 10. Next, 7. Now what would be the value in the question mark? 7 is the bigger number. Subtract 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So now 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 3 minus 1 equal to 8. 7 plus 3 minus 1 equal to 8. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bigger number should be taken and other two smaller numbers should be subtracted.